back to my channel. In today's world, when pollution, stress have literally taken a toll on our lifestyle, what gets most affected is our hair. You guys would agree, right? So what's the solution? I have been trying this amazing product by Skinelements, which is their caffeine and argan oil hair mask, and trust me you all, I have got some amazing results. And I cannot stress enough about the benefit of using a hair mask which has got argan oil and caffeine in it. I'm sure most of us have frizzy hair, we have split ends, we have dandruff problems, hair fall, hair loss, lack of nourishment and shine in our hair. To fight all the hair problems and to have a nourishing and healthy hair, you can definitely try this product. Now before we talk more about the product, you guys know what you have to do. Please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. This has got deep nourishing and conditioning property. It controls hair fall, repairs damaged hair, tames frizzy hair and hydrates scalp. Now it comes in this beautiful packaging. As you can see, it is very simple, very convenient to use. It has got 200 ml of the product and it comes in this circular tub. You do not absolutely need too much of the product. Now the best part about the product is its ingredients. It has got amazing ingredients like that of argan oil and caffeine. Nothing stimulates your hair better than caffeine and argan oil. This energy boosting ingredient not only controls your hair fall but also hydrates the scalp and repair hair follicles. How cool is that? By doing so, it promotes hair growth. Your hair becomes healthier and thicker and more nourished. We all know the goodness of argan oil, right? Argan oil definitely makes your hair more shinier, longer, softer and silkier. Now if you have color treated hair like me, you must be having dry ends, and split ends is a common problem in color treated hair, right? Argan oil will definitely take care of your split ends as well and make your hair healthy. Best part is that it is suitable for all hair types. It is not tested on animals. It is SLS free, paraben free. Apart from the goodness of caffeine and argan oil, this mask also has rosemary oil in it. It looks quite thick. It's not runny of course, but it has got a very lightweight formula. So whenever you apply it, you definitely feel a calming sensation and you definitely do not feel heavy or uncomfortable in any way. The lightweight formula penetrates deep into the hair shaft while sealing the outer cuticle, locking in moisture and protecting hair color. So all you guys out there who have color treated hair like me, you guys can also go ahead and use this amazing mask. It is going to protect your color treated hair and it is going to lock in the moisture. For 200 ml of the product, you need to pay 599 rupees. Like always, I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing this amazing product in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So after you have done your shampoo and rinsing it off, you can go ahead and apply this mask, taking it onto your palms, massaging it throughout your hair length, and then keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can go ahead and rinse it off, and then you can proceed with drying. As simple as that, guys, and the results are really amazing. As you can see, my hair definitely looks amazing and shinier and softer after I have used this product. Definitely gives your hair volume, bounce, shine, and obviously it will make your hair healthy. And like you can see, I have color treated hair, so I have to be extra careful with the products that I'm using, and this one right here does not affect my color. It rather helps in maintaining the color that I have, and I have been using it for quite some time now. Every time I would use it, I would definitely see a visible difference in my hair before and after using this product. It's really convenient to carry, so I definitely travel with my product. In case you're wondering, you can go ahead and use this product whenever you apply your shampoo. I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and give this product a shot, and I'm sure you would be impressed like I am, because I have long hair and it's very difficult to maintain and find a product which would really suit my hair because I have color treated hair. So this is a product that I swear by. Just go ahead and give this product a shot and I'm sure you would see the results if you use it religiously. Now that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries or questions, and also leave your video recommendations as well. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Mwah.